Are you ready to nail party? Hello, I'm Tammy Taylor, president of Tammy Taylor Nails. I'm so excited you're going to be joining me today. We're going to have so much fun. Now let's get started.
Sanitize your hands and your client's hands with Sanitize, 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 available in peach or gardenia. Remove the polish with fast-acting polish remover, available in peach or gardenia. Etch the nail with the 100 grit Purple Terminator etcher stick. Go with the way the nail grows. Push back the cuticle. Put little scratches in the nail. 75% of lifting is eliminated by the way you etch the nail. Go with the way the nail grows. Do the entire nail. Make sure there's no shiny spots. Now I'm going to use the tritium stone to push back the cuticle. Make sure there's no skin that's grown up on the nail, because any skin that's on the nail can cause lifting. Dust off the nail with a plastic manicure brush. Prime the nail with non-lifting nail primer. Dab your brush. Prime the entire nail. Be very careful not to get any on the skin. And then wipe off your brush before you place it back into your bottle so you don't contaminate your primer. The shape of the nail bed is an oval with a high hyponychium, so I will be using the custom oval competitive edge double thick white nail form. Put the C curve in your form. Place this curve underneath the free edge. Stick down your form. Stick down the wings. Secure your form. I will be doing a square tip stiletto, so I will be putting more of a point into the nail form. This is a double thick competitive edge nail form, so it holds the shape really well. Other nail forms are a single layer, so they're not as rigid. So the double thick is great for these really nice stiletto C-curve nails. I will be using a deep well ceramic dappen dish. This is really heavy, so when you're wiping off your brush, your dappen dish doesn't move. It's really deep, so it's really nice when you go to dip in your brush. It also helps keep down on fumes. And I use the Prizma dappen dish, so that way I have a separate dish for Prizma and my regular acrylic. And I will be using the medium flat custom brush. I will be using Prizma Acrylic and Midnight Cherry. The first coat of primer has dried. This killed the germs on the nail and dries out the oils in the nail. Now I'm going to apply my second coat of primer right before I apply my acrylic, so the primer's wet. This promotes adhesion and ensures against lifting. Dip your brush in, wipe it away from you. Drag towards you. This is going to be a large ball. This is our free edge ball. Place, lift, let it flow. 1, 2, 3. And then pat it out. Pat it out. Start tapering it in. Bring it over to the side here. Square up your tip, taper it out, dip your brush in, wipe it away from you. This is a small ball. Place this ball halfway down the nail bed, let it flow. 1, 2, 3. Stroke it out, side, side, center. Wipe off your brush, dip your brush in, wipe it away, drag towards you. Again, another small ball. Place this ball 1/32 of an inch away from the cuticle, and then lightly push it towards the cuticle, And then stroke it out, side, side, center. Wipe off your brush. Dip your brush in, wipe it away, drag towards you. Place this ball almost at the cuticle. Let it flow. Stroke it out, side, side, center. Nice long strokes. Wipe off your brush. When the nail's no longer shiny and is starting to dry, I'm going to squeeze my C curve. And I'm going to bring it really tight out here towards the tip to make my stiletto. Start at the nail bed, squeeze. Squeeze all the way out. I will be using the long-lasting 180 zebra, but first I'm going to score the edges. This way when I'm going around the cuticle it doesn't cut. I'm just going to throw away my disposable etcher strip. I will be filing in 5 steps. My first step in filing is straight out from the nail groove on the left. My second step is straight out from the nail groove on the right. The third step is filing the tip of the free edge, and this is going to be a square nail. So I hold my file straight up and down, hold the finger securely, and go straight across. Step number 4 is the top of the nail in the cuticle area. File down on the side, cross the top, down on the other side. Down on the side, cross the top, down on the other side. There should be a little road around the cuticle where you have acrylic, natural nail, cuticle. Place your file in that little road. Go around the cuticle area. Get it nice and smooth. Bevel down, cross the top, down on the other side, using nice long strokes. The 5th step in filing is to turn the nail around and look at the nail from the client's angle. Bevel down towards the tip. This is the angle the client will be looking at for the next 2 weeks. Now I'm going to dust off the nail and see if I need to do any perfection filing, especially on the stiletto. Make sure my sides come at a nice taper. I'm just going to hold my file straight up and down and just make sure that I come to a nice pointy tip. Now I'm going to buff my nail with my clean finish buffing file. Nice long strokes, down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. Get it nice and smooth around the cuticle area. Bevel out towards the tip. Have the client go wash their hands with soft suds and antibacterial cleanser. Now I'm going to apply Top Gel Plus, a super high gloss top gel. Nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. Cap the tip. Cure 45 seconds in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Clean off the nail with Clean It. Apply conditioning cuticle oil, available in peach or gardenia. Now we have the Burgundy Square Tip Stilletto Acrylic Prizma Nail.
Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And remember, at Tammy Taylor Nails, nails are always fun and never feel like work.